Hello friends, this is Mr. Funava here. Welcome to this video in which I will talk in full about the Vivo X300 Pro artistic masterpiece. If you ask me the first question, what has changed compared to the previous generation? Simply the changes in the front camera, the main camera and the new telephoto, next to the kit that we will talk about, God willing. The increased battery size is 6,510 mAh. And of course, the star of the season is the MediaTek 9500 processor, a special processor dedicated to the X series version. As simple changes in the shape of this device. Now the question is it worth upgrading to it? Let's go into the details. First of all, God willing, the whole device is 8mm and 226 grams. Arbor glass, IP68 and IP69. The quality is very, very excellent. There are no curves, curved screen, and this mess. That's it, you have a flat screen with a thin frame for the screen. I mean, we give it beauty for the screen, which we will talk about later, God willing, but one of the biggest changes is that in the ring area, which is the special camera in it, the curvature here has become a little. And this is a small change, but it gives you a better grip on the phone. Especially if you have been using the device for a very long time with one hand, you will feel that it will not bother you in the circular ring, especially with the special cameras and setup. 2 stereo speakers, USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2, which will support the DisplayPort. And the transfer speeds will be much faster. And this is something comfortable. The ultrasonic is located in the place of the example. So the buttons work perfectly. It gives you a button. This button can be programmed for anything you can do. So take your time and do whatever you want. You want the cameras, you want the artificial intelligence, whatever you want. With knowledge, the version in front of you and the version you see in black, you have 2 colors. But the purpose is that it starts from 12 to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X type, and you have the storage starting from 256 to 1 terabyte version. I think the 1 terabyte version is the one with the satellite version. I don't know if it was available with us or not. In terms of hardware, this phone will not bother you at all. The screen here is 6.78 inches. The screen here is LTPO 120 Hz. And it supports everything you like. From UHD to PWM to Dolby Vision, HDR10 and HDR10+. So take your time because you will get excellent audio and visuals on the multimedia and gaming sectors, or even in the online and offline fields. But the audio with these screens needs hardware. So you have the MediaTek 9500. Man, it has Wi-Fi 7. It has eSIM. It has NFC. It has Bluetooth 5.3.4. Everything you need from hardware is inside the screen. And the live translation will be, as long as you press on this phone, you will find all the results are excellent. Whether in the field of gaming, in the field of surfing, in the field of heavy applications, or, for example, you do a CapCut or editing, it will give you excellent comfort with a 6,510 mAh battery with Blue Volt technology. And this particular technology gives you with the package. The package includes everything you need to buy anything, even the color of the cover. The color of the cover will be the same color that you will choose with the color of this device. See how it is in front of your eyes. But here you will notice that you will get a charger over 90 watt and a wireless charger 40 watt, and even a reverse charger is also available. The battery is very, very excellent for daily use, and the charging is very fast. And you want all kinds of charging technologies ready, no problem. As for the star of the season, which is the subject of cameras, okay, as I told you, the main camera is now modified. It has a new 50MP sensor with a very excellent lens aperture. And you have the 200MP telephoto star, which also gives you a visual approximation. And you even have 50MP ultra-wide, which has not changed since last year. And you have the new 50MP security camera, which now supports autofocus. You want 4K with Dolby Vision. All the main cameras give you excellent results. In terms of everything, it is agreed on the subject of 4K and 60 FPS. Even the main camera, which gives you 8K even with 30 FPS. All cameras can even give you 4K with 120 FPS. So all the settings tell you that I am no less than 4K. Even the front camera is 4K. Thank God for everything. but the results of the photos and videos that will come out of it will be with us. Complete it with the Z's kit, which gives you a very respectable telephoto lens. It comes with covers and the grip of the camera, and it gives you an additional power bank. Even the buttons work perfectly. It transforms from a normal phone to a professional camera. You want it for photos or videos, and the results of the photos. Why are you talking? You see the results. And give us your opinion. Therefore, this is really an enjoyable phone in terms of photos and even videos. Maybe the zoom twice in the field of shooting video at night was okay. But other than that, everything is very, very enjoyable. So, this is it. The device is very enjoyable. And it comes with the Origin system. Origin, which is the new one, there is nothing called Fun Touch, and the company specifically promises 5 main updates. So the device is guaranteed for 5 years, and you're laughing because you're going to get one of the latest Android devices. But it is equipped with an artificial intelligence system from Vivo, and also the Google system that supports Gemini, locking, customizing, and so on, so take it easy. Because this is for people who like heavy modifications. This is for you. So, this was my review of the Vivo X300 Pro. An enjoyable device. A very beautiful device. Give us your opinion. Thanks for watching.